Sige, good morning. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples. And ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples at ang kumontrato ng wedding? No, no one, let us continue. Dali kayo duwan, ay kayo lang yung dalawa. So, Shinami? Shalamea. Are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Mark Ernest, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Yes. Kayong dalawa. You take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntarily. Okay. Mark Ernest, we have Shalamea, to be your wife, to live together in marriage. Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Yes. Shalamea, will you have Mark Ernest to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, we are.
Okay, yung singsing, pakilabas na po. Follow after me. Sabi yung sasabihin ko mamaya. Circles ito kasi eternal, forever ang kasal. Okay? So, work, follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, and with all that I am, and with all that I have, all that I have, I honor you. So what? Follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Shoot. Okay naman, sumangot din kay parents tayo ni Kailang. Hanapin tayo, wish tayo din kasal. Wish din tayo din kasal.
Salamat sa mga bisita. Ganun din sa akin. Matagal ko na talaga gusto mangyari. Kasi, matagal kasi. Alam ko naman na wala rin mga anak ay kakasundo dahil halos din ang sila. Sana tuloy magkaroon na rin ng buwan mas masaya. Kaya mo lang ang sinasabihan ang sila para wala nang hadlang o problema kay kinagawa. Kaya, anak, salamat sa inyo na yun pa na rin matagal ko rin sinasabi. Masaya ako. Wala akong maraming masabi sa inyo. Nakita ko naman, pagdaan ng panahon, wala akong bantaan, yung naging problema nyo. Kung meron naman siguro, kaya-kaya nyo lang. Dahil pagpatuloy nyo mga nandito lang lang din kami, mga magulang nyo. Para sumupa ako sa iyo.
Thank you, sir. Ano naman wish mo lang din tayo sa ilakas? Ito yung mga anak mo. Namin tayo, i-wish kayo dyan kasal.
Iwis ko binimiya. Ni Mark? Nanayan ko pa na. Sakit ko lang sa buhay ko. Nagyaman lang. Maawatan niyo yung tingin sa atin. Ito lang kami. Pati parents ni Mia. Nagyaman ako man. Maawatan niyo yung kasas. Okay. Basta mga problema na iba kayo magkakapanin. Ay tayo din hindi kaya nila itulong. Inanos tayo dirikat. Ito lang.
Mang Mia Unat yung dua untuk naman nyo lang yung nanggalag yung mga minimiti kasabi ko sana habang buhay at pagsasama nyo. Thank you.
Thank you. O sumama tayo dyan gulman. Nagiging payo kinwishment, nagiging friends and family. Ninong ninang anatatoy. Ha?
Katagiti luwang nagkailays data. Looking ka, Mark, makita ka ang hindi ka makasunod talaga kasta nati ko. First time amul ulitin belum jatan proyek kelihatan aja lang. Congrats.
Friends, wish tayo.
Congrats, Mia at Mark. At ngayon, magkasama na kayo palagi. Ay, palagi naman, di ba? Ngayon, mas legal na yung pagkasama nyo na talagang misis to ka na. Ayun lang.
From other friends, family. Sige ba? Hindi na daw. Sige, meron pa po? Ninong-ninong ako, abada. Oh, sige. Oh, so, huling-huling na. Now, hawakan mo yung kamay ni Mark. So, Mia, ano naman ang vows mo to your husband? Again, from the heart, tapos hindi mo imatay. From the heart.
Starting today, we will be one flesh. I know certainly married life is not guaranteed. But I promise to be your support and to be by your side always, throughout the hardships that may happen. As the work things out as a married couple, as Madam Councilor said, we should guide each other, be each other's strength, seek each other's opinion about the decisions we're going to make, reciprocate each other's love and support, be each other's priority, love each other above any disagreement. And while we build our lives together, we also need to nurture our passions and visions to grow.
Thank you. Oh, Mark, ano naman yung vows mo to your wife?
Mia, pangako ko na lang samahan kita sa problema. Kasi alagaan kita. Mahal na mahal kita.
Sige.
Follow after me. Or, witnesses to be equal. I hereby take you, Shelea,
I hereby take you, Shelly,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
with soul,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better and for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and for poor,
in sickness and in health,
and for sickness and for health,
to love
with love
and to cherish
and to cherish,
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
You, I follow after me also. I hereby take you, Mark Ernest,
I hereby take you, Mark Ernest,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish,
and to cherish,
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Thank you. By the virtues of the powers vested in me, by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as to witness, I, Benjamin Loren Cuaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which have been contracted into and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. Okay, single bilang tatlo maala tayo, okay? Hindi na kuha. Hindi na kuha. Sige.
Ay, study kayo ng one.
Okay. Pirma tayo para officially. No? Inokina na po. Yung next ka na sir. Ilan pa? Dalawa pa? Apo? 30 minutes per kapan.
Lia's family. Family ni Lia. Family ni Lia.